were sitting there.
Okay, I have no time for this, okay? Alam ko, I'm in a lose-lose situation.
You don't have time. I don't have time for you as well.
Because as you said,
Yeah.
positive personality.
No, we were sitting there and you were standing in front
No.
of me.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I was asking.
Why don't you talk to Danny? And
I'm
then
not
you saw,
talking to you, kid, so don't shut up.
Hey, you don't do that. Lay off my kids. 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 Lay off my kids.
I'm not touching you.
Yan na naman, yan na naman.
What are you using, dude? What's the problem, dude?
Tama na, anak.
Fuck off!
Fuck off! Tama na.
They say anything bad.
He said, shut up to my sister, dude.
You said fuck
No,
off.
tama na.
I said, what the fuck, not fuck you.
Tama na.
Fuck not to you. You said, shut up to my sister.
You know,
What the hell is your problem?
it's sad.
What the hell? You said, kid. You said, kid. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Okay. No,
Why
there's
you
no
telling me to
need.
shut up to my
No,
sister?
there's
It's my
no
family.
need to clear it up. There's no need. Tama na. No, don't do that to
Don't
my...
test my patience.
Don't do that to my...
Test my patience.
Yan na naman tayo. Lahat na naman yan. Naka-YouTube si Doris Bigola. Alam mo yun eh. Alam mo yun. You purposely did that because I'm Doris Bigola. What the hell?
That's a waste of time.
Tapos YouTube niyo ako. Ano yun? You're so unfair. You knew that? Bakit ka magdalagin? Ako, gusto ka na.
Okay lang, kawawa yung anak niya. Kawawa yung anak niya.
So next time, watch Alea Salonga
Kawawa yung
concert.
anak niya, dude. Come on.
No, next time, watch Alea Salonga concert. Or better yet, Blackjack. What? Sino? Sino? Hindi nakapito yun. Sino sa pika?